In this video, we are going to compare two popular website builders, 10web and Webflow. We will look at what they offer, who they are for, and how much they cost. This will help you choose the right one for you. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with 10web. 10web is a website builder that uses artificial intelligence or AI to make things easier. It is built on WordPress, which is a very popular platform for making websites. This means you get the power of WordPress but with a simpler way to build. Imagine you want to build a house, but you don't know how to lay bricks. 10web is like having a robot that builds the walls for you. You just tell the robot what you want and it does the hard work. 10web can help you create a website very fast, sometimes in just a few minutes. It can even create the text and pictures for your site. This is great for people who are not writers or designers. It also helps make your website very fast, which is important for visitors. Think of it as a super smart helper for building your online home. The AI website builder is the star of 10web. Imagine describing your business in a few words and a full website is created for you. That's what this feature does. It generates everything, text, images, and the design of your website. You can even give it a link to a website you like and it will recreate that style for you. This saves a lot of time and effort. You don't have to start from an empty page. The AI gives you a complete website that you can then change and make your own. It's like having a web designer who works in seconds. What if you want to make changes to your new website? The AI Copilot is here to help. It works inside the website editor, which is based on a tool called Elementor. You can ask the AI Copilot to do things for you. For example, you can tell it to change the color of all buttons to blue or write a paragraph about our company history. It understands your commands and makes the changes. This makes editing your website as easy as talking to a person. It helps you fine-tune your website without needing to know any code or complex settings. 10web doesn't just build your site, it also takes care of it. It provides high-quality hosting on Google Cloud, which is very reliable. This means your website is always online and loads quickly for your visitors. 10web automatically handles all the technical stuff. It does automatic backups so you never lose your work. It also does security checks to protect your site from bad guys, and it makes sure your website is always updated to the latest version of WordPress. You can focus on your business and 10web will manage the rest. Have you ever waited a long time for a website to open? That's bad for business. 10web promises to make your website super fast. It automatically optimizes your site to get a score of 90 or more on Google's page speed test. A fast website makes visitors happy and can help you rank higher in Google search results. 10web does this by making images smaller, organizing code, and using other smart tricks. You don't have to do anything technical. 10web makes sure your site is fast on computers and mobile phones. 10web has different plans for different needs. The prices are clear and easy to understand. They have plans for starting a new site, for beginner business, and for agencies that build sites for others. The AI Starter plan is great for personal websites and small businesses. It usually starts around $10 per month if you pay for a whole year. If you need more features like for online store, the AI Premium and AI Ultimate plans are available. These plans cost a bit more but offer more power. They offer a free trial so you can test it before you buy. So, who is it for? 10web is perfect for people who want the power of WordPress without the difficulty. If you are a small business owner, this is a great choice. You can get a professional website up and running very quickly. It's also great for freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients. The AI tools help you work much faster. If you want a very fast and secure website and love the idea of using AI to help you, 10web is for you. It's for doers who want to focus on their ideas, not the technology behind them. Now, let's switch to Webflow. Webflow is a newer website builder that is getting very popular. It is a visual website builder. This means you design your website by dragging and dropping elements. You can see the changes you make in real time. It's like designing in a program like Photoshop, but for websites. Webflow is a hosted platform. This means you don't have to worry about buying hosting separately. They take care of it for you. This makes it easier to get started, especially for beginners. Webflow is known for giving you a lot of design freedom. You can create very unique and custom-looking websites without writing any code. But just how powerful is it? Let's dive into the top features of Webflow. First is the Visual Designer. This is the heart of Webflow. It lets you build your website visually. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons into a canvas. You can then style them exactly how you want it. You can change colors, fonts, sizes, and more. This gives you pixel-perfect control over your design. For designers, this is a dream come true. You can create complex layouts and animations without writing any code. It's a very powerful tool that lets you bring your creativity into life. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. Next up is the high-quality hosting. Webflow provides hosting for your website, and their hosting is very fast and reliable. This is very important for a good user experience. A slow website can make visitors leave. Webflow uses a global network of servers. This means your website will load quickly for visitors from all over the world. They also take care of security for you. You don't have to worry about updates or getting hacked. This is a big advantage if you don't want to manage the technical side of your website. It's like having a team of experts keeping your website safe and fast. Another feature is the powerful CMS. Webflow has a content management system. This lets you and your clients easily update the website's content. You can create collections of content like blog posts, team members, or projects. The editor is very user-friendly. You can edit content right on the live website. This makes it very easy for non-technical people to manage the site. You can also create custom fields for your content. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how you organize and display your content. It's a very modern and powerful CMS that is a pleasure to use. Finally, Webflow is great for e-commerce. If you want to sell products online, Webflow has you covered. It has built-in e-commerce features. You can add products, manage inventory, and take payments. You can customize the design of your online store to match your brand. It supports popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. This makes it easy to start selling online. The e-commerce features are well integrated into the platform. This means you get the same design freedom for your online store as you do for the rest of your website. It's a great all-in-one solution for selling online. Now, what about the price of Webflow? Webflow has a free plan that lets you build a website and publish it on a webflow.io subdomain. This is great for learning the platform. For a custom domain, you will need a paid plan. Site plans start at around $14 per month, billed yearly. If you need the CMS, the plans start at around $23 per month. E-commerce plans are more expensive, starting at around $29 per month. These prices include hosting, so you don't have to pay for that separately. While the starting price is higher compared to others, it's an all-in-one package. You get the builder, hosting, and support in one place. So, who should use Webflow? Webflow is perfect for designers and creative professionals. If you want complete control over the design of your website, you will love Webflow. It's all about great choice for businesses that want a professional and custom-looking website. If you don't want to worry about hosting, security, and updates, Webflow is a good option. It's for people who are willing to pay a bit more for a high-quality, all-in-one solution. However, it might be a bit much for a simple personal blog. And while it has CMS, it's not as focused on blogging as other platforms. So, which one is right for you? If you want an easy and super fast way to get a great WordPress website online, 10web is a fantastic choice. Its AI tools save you a ton of time and effort. If you are a designer or want to create a highly custom website with stunning animations, then Webflow is your winner. It gives you the power to build almost anything you can imagine. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between 10web and Webflow. Let me know in the comments which one you like more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.